So we're here today to talk about the Ravenwood Linerless Labeling Machine. We're here with the Nobac 500, which is the flagship of Ravenwood's line for close to 20 years. Typically, most of our machines are used in the food industry for protein trays. This particular machine is able to go close to 140, 150 packs per minute. Inside the machine, there's a variable printer option where you can do thermal transfer printing. A lot of our customers are doing date codes, sell-bys, and you can also connect the machine to a scale as well, and then you can then integrate into one label the weight of the product as well as variable information. The speed of the machine, we talked about 140 to 150 a minute, and the size of the machine, 4 feet by 2 feet, so you have a small footprint. A lot of our customers are looking for the ability to do different label formats. Most who come to us today have either a map or a VSP format. Typically on map formats, you can do a top and a side, top and 2 sides, C-wrap or a full wrap, or even what we call a D-wrap where it doesn't meet on the bottom. Most of our vacuum skin customers are doing a full wrap because when you run your fingers or your hands from rim to rim on the tray, there's no glue there because our machines have strips of adhesive instead of a full adhesive, which I'll show you in 1 minute. What we're going to do now is we're going to run a couple of samples through the machine, and we'll show you how the machine works. Turn it on. So here we're doing what we call a D-wrap on the back of the label, on the back of the tray rather, and we didn't connect the printer, but we have the ability here to have variable information. The Linerless Label, as I had alluded to before, has strips of adhesive instead of a full adhesive. It's a little hard to see here, but you have a strip of adhesive here, 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 and here, and they will always correlate to your tray. So you have a strip of adhesive here, strip of adhesive here. It's very sticky. It'll stick to the tray. And here, and then when you run your finger from rim to rim, there is no tray, so no glue rather. So there's no sticky residue, and then of course you're going to have a nice, flat, clean presentation. We also wanted to show you a map tray. We showed some VSP trays. This is a map tray, and we have variable information using the thermal transfer printer inside the unit. Typically, that's a 2x3 printing area on the panel, and there's also a larger printer available, which gives you the ability to print a 3x4 area. Some customers also put 2 printers on the unit, and then you're able to print more variable information if that's desired, maybe for a ready meal or something of that sort.